Alright, this is an around the world pattern that doesn't have a name. It's just a generic around the world. Um, Basically what you're doing is you're doing all your short side and there's no extra, so just have just enough for your short side. And then on your long side you're not doing the last main, and at the very end you'll do that last main and another cross if you have it. And I'll get to that. There's a little bit that you need to know at this this juncture where you switch to doing the crosses, and I'll let you know once we get there. Okay, now that you have all of your short side done and tied off, and you have all of your long side done except for the last main, what you want to do is count your crosses. If you have an even amount of crosses, you want to start on the first cross, and if you have an odd number of crosses, you want to start on the second. Now this one, quick check, has 19 crosses, so I want to start on the second one. What I'm going to do is weave all my crosses all the way down, and once I get to the bottom, because I started on the second, it'll end down here on this side, and then I'll come up on the long side and then do this last cross. If you had an even amount of crosses and you started on the first, you'll end over here as well, but you only have this last main to do. So I'll speed you through this and then show you just the last little bit. Okay, now that you've got all your crosses done, except for that top one, of course, what you're going to do is weave this last main, pull it, and then weave this last cross and pull it. And you'll be good to go. And that's it. That is a generic around the world method. It's probably one of maybe two that you can do without a starting clamp. So there you go. Thank you very much.